The DVD3 Initiation to Dance for children 5 to 7 years old accompanies the child in the discovery of the practice of dance. It is a general method of exploring rhythm, space, balance, and motor skills. This DVD constitutes the suite of the contemporary dance DVDs 8 to 10 years old and 10 to 14 years old, which the dance teacher Irena Tatiboit filmed with her students from her school, Le Carré d'Art in Strasbourg. And now on your tummy, forehead on the floor, lift the leg in the air, tummy stays on the floor. These box sets, incontestable pedagogical successes, are better than a filmed class. It's about a real video realization for 5 to 7-year-olds with a choice of 31 exercises and hundreds of close-ups, a music CD accompaniment, a booklet of 260 pages, and a full glossary of dance vocabulary. Each box set comes in 5 languages: French, English, German, Spanish, and Polish. For from the beginning of this learning process, the body and the movement are chosen as the source of rhythm. This comprehensive class for children aged 5 to 7 years old answers to the initiation period when, at an early age, we do not yet choose a particular technique or style of dance. The child discovers before anything the pleasure of moving his body. He learns to structure it, to place it in the space and time of the musical measure, whatever his physical ability may be. Irena Tatiboit offers here her own pedagogical technique, resulting from 30 years of teaching in various places worldwide and by creating numerous performances. The train travels around the room. The teacher invents obstacles. A red light, a river, a fence. From a rigorous technical base to the creativity of improvisation, these DVDs of contemporary dance are a tool for all teachers and a great class for all contemporary dance enthusiasts.